Alright, HVAC, We're going to bring you a little bit of electrical lessons today. And right now we're looking at a diagram for 20 kW of electric heat. And it's on an air handler. I won't tell you what brand name that is. I'm going to put my hand over it there, but you probably already know. Anyway, this could be used in a heat pump application, or it could be used as just straight electric heat. And there's our 20 kW of heat staring right at us. So first and foremost, if you can't read electrical diagrams, ladder diagrams as we'd refer to them, or if you can't read line diagrams and components, if you can't recognize any of these that we're looking at right now, I'd say the best thing you can do is stop what you're doing right now and get you a 6-week course in basic electricity, and at the same time learn everything you can about Ohm's Law. Once you can look at one of these ladder diagrams and tell what's going on, it will make you 100% better at being a troubleshooting technician. So with that said, let me just tell you a little bit about this ladder diagram. We have 4 banks of electric heat, and if you focus in at this top right corner here, these connecting points and symbols designate the coils that are involved, the electric coils, 24 volt, that are involved in sending power past a set of contacts that'll bring in a cycle of electric heat. And in this case, if you will look closely, we have 3 positions in here where we have coils, and then those coils will send power across a set of contacts, cycling in each bank of electric heat. With those banks of heat, a fan cycle is produced, which brings the blower on with the first bank of electric heat. The blower should be the last thing that cycles off at the end of a call for heat. So with stack sequencers, that's a stack sequencer back there. The base of that sequencer gets 24 volts, and depending on the value of the sequencer, it'll start sending enough heat past a little heater that's embedded in the base, and it'll cause these bi-disc, snap disc contacts to make, and they make from usually the bottom up. So once they make that bridge, then the 220, 40, whatever voltage can get across that stack sequencer,